Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to record your computer screen and camera with Camtasia. So firstly, all you have to just click on top left corner this record icon. You can see at the record. Simply click on this record, and then you can see here the camera is here. Okay, if you want to toggle off the camera, you can toggle off. If you want to toggle on the camera, you can toggle on the camera and it will work for you. Okay, if your camera doesn't open, you have to go to settings from your option and then go to privacy in Windows 10, and then you'll find here camera option, which should be turned on. Okay, then turn on this camera and it will work. Now you have to just click on recording, this one, start. 3 2 1, it is start recording. Okay guys, so this is how you can uh, record with camera in Camtasia. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.